Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money fast. Yes, really fast. You don't have to spend a lot of time or money on anything to get started. All that you need is some creativity and an effective plan. By the end of the video, you will know exactly what you need to do to start making money right away. So what are you waiting for? Watch the video and let's get started. 1. Test websites and give feedback. If you have a keen eye for website design and development, consider becoming a website tester. It's a great way to make money quickly and immerse yourself in the web development industry. To test websites, you must have critical and logical thinking skills, excellent communication abilities, and knowledge of website functionality and design. These qualities can improve your job prospects and test reporting quality. Payments are usually project-based, and the rates differ based on the testing methods and the platform's policy. For example, user testing offers $4 Website testers who participate in live interviews with clients make more money. 2. Voice-over work. Voice-over work is an excellent way to make money fast. Since most voice-over jobs are project-based, a long-term commitment isn't required. Companies are always looking for new voice-over talents. Here are a few examples of how to use your voice to make good money. Audiobooks help bring a story to life by narrating various types of books, including novels, biographies, and essay collections. Advertisements and commercials. Ads with voiceovers are still a popular way for companies to market their products and services. Demonstration videos. Some companies create how-to videos and hire voiceover talents to help demo their products. How much you earn from voiceover projects depends on your experience, the project's type, and the script's length. The average salary of voiceover artists in the United States is around $31/hour. 3. Complete online surveys. It might sound too good to be true, but you can earn extra cash by completing surveys online during your spare time. Many companies pay people to participate in surveys for general market research and consumer behavior analysis. These surveys help companies make business decisions, like which products to launch or where to publish advertisements. However, not everyone can do online surveys. Take a look at some of the reasons why. Limited demographic. Some surveys only target specific groups of people, such as people of a particular gender, age, or occupation. Low pay. Many online survey sites use a point system. You'll accumulate points after completing surveys and can only cash out after reaching a certain earnings threshold. For example, you may make $0.50 $3/survey, but unless you reach the $10.25 earnings threshold, you won't be able to cash out. Time-consuming. Due to the payout systems of most survey sites, you'll have to dedicate a lot of time to see actual returns, especially when some surveys take up to 1 hour to complete. Not for the long term. You won't be able to transition this into a full-time job for the above reasons. If the potential drawbacks don't faze you, here are some popular survey sites. Swagbucks. Watch videos, play games, and complete online surveys to earn points. Then redeem them for cash or gift cards. Survey Junkie. Help brands deliver better products and services by participating in their market surveys. 4. Try mystery shopping. If you love shopping, becoming a mystery shopper is an excellent way to make extra money. Retailers and market research companies hire mystery shoppers to shop at specific locations and report on the overall consumer experience. They monitor customer service, store conditions, and product quality without the company's employees knowing they're being examined. You can do some mystery shopping work remotely. For example, some jobs involve testing the service quality at call centers or evaluating the shopping experience at an online retailer. Payments for mystery shoppers vary depending on the company. For each job completed, you can get reimbursed for the items you purchased, receive vouchers and gift cards, or earn between $10–25 on average. 5. Test games and apps. In 2021, the video game industry was worth $178.73 billion, a 14.4% increase from 2020. Video games also hold the largest share in the global digital media market. As a result, many opportunities have appeared for users to make money online by testing games and other apps. Some games or apps, like Misplay, require players to perform specific tasks and collect in-game currency rewards. These rewards can be redeemed as gift cards or real-world money. The Global Beta Test Network by Keyword Studios pays people to play games before release. Other online games like Givling offer real cash prizes. Beware of platforms that use games and apps as a front for scams to steal personal information and bank account details. While they provide an easy way to make money online, be sure to check reviews and ensure their legitimacy beforehand. 6. Sell stock photos and footage. If you're an avid photographer or videographer, consider selling stock photos and footage to generate passive income. You'll be able to pursue your passion and make money simultaneously. Many companies and business owners use stock content in their marketing campaigns, ads, and websites. In addition to the standard stock photo format, companies constantly look for fresh ideas and unique perspectives to make their brand stand out. You can make a photography website and sell photos there. It's also a good idea to sign up for online marketplaces and list your digital downloads. That way, you'll get a head start at cultivating your personal brand while promoting it to potential buyers. Some of the biggest stock photography and videography websites include Shutterstock, offers multiple earning levels based on the number of image and video licenses per year. Getty Images, pays at a royalty rate of 15 to 45%, depending on the license exclusivity agreement. VideoHive, deals in stock videos as part of the larger Envato ecosystem. The earnings depend on the number of items sold and whether you sell exclusively on the platform. 7. Sell second-hand items. Selling or renting out second-hand items is another excellent way to make money and a great motivation to start decluttering your space. Furthermore, selling used items can be a way to save money since you are only selling items you already have. Once you inventory the items you want to sell, take high-quality product photos before listing them on online marketplaces. If you plan to do this long-term, consider making a website to host your own online store. One of the most popular second-hand items categories is clothing. The market value of the second-hand clothing industry is projected to reach $77 billion by 2026. Therefore, it's a good time to start your own clothing line. 8. Sell school notes. Selling copies of school notes is one of the easiest ways for students to make money fast. However, make sure you aren't committing plagiarism or academic misconduct by selling school notes. For example, do not disclose assignments or tests and avoid distributing copyrighted material. The safest bet is to sell notes containing general but insightful information about a subject, such as modules, flashcards, and study guides. Be careful not to present your notes as facts since they are supplementary study documents. Aside from student or alumni message boards and community forums, here are some of the best places to make money online by selling school notes. Nexus Notes. They offer a 50% commission per notes sale. Note Exchange. Sell notes for $5, $40 plus and earn a 100% commission if you become an affiliate. Notation. With 5.5 million plus users, this India-based platform accepts handwritten notes and presentation slides. Study notes go for Rs 100, Rs 1000 plus. 9. Carry out microjobs. To make extra money, try microjobs. A microjob is a short-term, temporary job that pays per task completed. Earnings vary from a few cents to $50/task on average. Microjobs are a good way to make quick cash. Some microjobs only take less than an hour to complete, giving people the freedom to do multiple tasks in their spare time. They're great for freelancers, new graduates, and college students because they can help you gain experience and build a portfolio. The most common online microjobs include blogging, short translations, data entry, and administrative tasks. 10. Sell art and designs. Selling digital products is one of the best ways for artists to make money. List your creations on art marketplaces like DeviantArt and ArtStation. This is a great way to gain exposure in the creative online community and reach potential clients. Alternatively, sell artwork and designs independently via another sales channel like your social media account. Facebook had 2 billion plus monthly active users, and Instagram had 1 billion plus as of January 2022. Such numbers make these platforms great for increasing exposure. Selling on social media is a good way to make money fast, especially if you promote your art on specific networks. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.